Please like and subscribe for more tutorial for beginners. New videos every day.
Hello there. In this section we will talk about creating your online dropshipping store. We will use Shopify to create our store. We will talk about creating our store, choosing a store theme, customizing it, and setting our store up. Now let's move to the first part of this section. Hello there. In order to create a store, you need to come up with a name for your store. Think of an attractive and creative name. After you come up with a name, register it on Shopify ASAP. Then you need a logo for your store. You can go to the website Fever and search using the term, for example, create logo online store. Then sort the results by best selling. And start searching until you find the price that suits you. For example, here, this one, for $10, he will make a logo for you. Or if you can, just create it yourself using free online logo creators. Or just find a nice font to write your store's name and make it as your store's logo. Then you need some pictures for your store. Go and download some copyright-free images from websites like Unsplash, so you don't run into copyright issues. Check to find some nice images and then start downloading them. One crucial note that you need to consider: visitors are more likely to leave websites that load slowly, so you need to compress images that you will use in your store. After downloading these images, we go to a website called TinyPNG, upload these images, and then compress them. Another thing that I will do after downloading compressed images is to rename them for SEO purposes. That's it for this lesson. Now let's move to the next article to get started creating our Shopify online dropshipping store. Hello there. Here's what you will see after you click on Start your free trial of Shopify. You will see some fields. Enter your email address, password, then the name you chose for your store, and then click on Create your store. Now Shopify is creating your store. So your store is ready to go. The internet is a little bit slow today. So you will see questions about yourself. You can answer them or you can just skip them. Are you already selling, and what's your current revenue? I will just skip them. Now this page will have your information, name, address, and so on. So your store has been created and ready to start customizing your store. Now the first thing, we go to online store. Then click on themes. Now explore free themes, and at this point you don't have to invest your money in paid themes. So here some free themes. I prefer the theme Brooklyn. It is a clean theme and it's a mobile optimized theme. So I will choose the theme Brooklyn with the playful style. Add to your store. Now this theme has been added to your store, but you need to publish this theme on your store. So go to Actions and click on Publish. Now theme published. We will customize the theme next lecture. Now we go to the next thing, which is add a domain to your store. Adding a domain with the extension, for example, .com, adds credibility to your store. So we will go ahead and click on Add Domain. Now here the default domain is, for example, yourstore.myshopify.com. We go to Buy New Domain and type your store's name and see whether it is available with the .com or not. Now we chose the name Spookies. It's not available for this store. I usually before I name a store, I check whether the domain with the .com available or not. And since this store is for demonstration, I will tweak that and add a letter I to the name. So it's available for $14 a year. Go ahead and click Buy. And add your credit card to use it buying this domain and performing other payments on Shopify. See you next lecture. Hi, in this lecture we will talk about creating pages and add them to our store. We'll go to Online Store, Pages, Add Page. The first page that we want to create is About Us page. I have previously created the content for this page. We'll go to About Us, copy, and paste, then save. Now page was created. Let's go back to Pages to create another page. Add page. The next page that we want to create is Contact Us page. We can use a form in this page, or we use just a text with adding our email and encouraging our customers to contact us. Whatever you prefer. So I used a text with our email and save. Page was created. Let's go back to Pages. There we have created About Us and Contact Us page. We create another page which is Frequently Asked Questions, FAQs. It is an important page and it saves you a lot of time and effort answering emails of customers. Here we have some common questions that customers ask. For example, how does shipping work? The tracking number for my orders, stop updating, what happened? And what if I need to return something? Common questions that customers ask. So we add them to this page and go ahead and click save. Now we have the three main pages: About Us, Contact Us, FAQs. Now let's go to Themes and Customize to add them to the home menu and to the footer menu. So header, we can use a date menu. We can just use a navigation to reach our menus, but I used this method to show you it is somehow linked to customizing our theme. So here we have menu items, add menu item, and here we write about because we have no space at the header. Link to pages, About Us. Add menu item. So we write contact, link to pages, Contact Us. Then add. Here we have it ready, then save. Another place that we want to add these pages to is to footer menu. Same way, a date menu footer. So add menu item. Here we write About Us because we have space. Link it to page and then to About Us. Add another menu item. Same process as we did at the header menu. Contact Us. Then link it to Contact Us. Go ahead and click add. Another menu item we would like to add at the footer menu is FAQs, frequently asked question. Then add. And go ahead and click save. Menu saved. Now here we have them added to our store. That's it for creating pages and add them to our store. See you next lecture. Hi, in this lecture we will talk about apps that you need to integrate your store with. The first app that you need is Oberlo. Oberlo is a great app. It automates dropshipping and it has a free plan. So we add this app to our store. We go then install this app. I will attach an article with apps that you need, with important apps that you need. But in this video we will install the first app, which is Oberlo, and the second one we will go to Shopify App Store. We search for Facebook Chat. This app is very important for customer services. So we'll choose this one. It is free and it has more than 140 reviews, positive reviews. So we will add this app to our store. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next one. Hello there. In this lecture we will talk about importing products from the website AliExpress to our store. We will use the app Overload to import products. We have two ways to import products to our store. The first one is using the import product by URL and ID. We go to AliExpress, copy the URL of the product, then paste it in product URL. Then click in import. Product is being imported. Here we have import list. So here we have the product pushed to our Overload dashboard. We're gonna go ahead and delete this product to show you the other way of importing products. We go to AliExpress. We have already installed the Overload extension. So next to each product we see this blue tag. So we click on this blue tag, push the product to Overload. Now product imported successfully. We go to Overload dashboard, import list, refresh this page, and here we have the product. So the first thing that we want to do is edit the name of the product. It cannot be left like this one. So the Chinese are doing this for SEO purposes. So we are going to edit the name of the product. The next thing is description. The description cannot be like this. The supplier specifications. We write a description for the customer that he understands. So I have prepared the description and paste it. The next thing is variants. The variants of the product itself. Here we have the cost and the prices of the variants. So we consider the cost and shipping, and we change the price. It can set new value or multiplier. So we will set new value, for example, $7.97. Apply to all. Then change all compared at prices. It shows like you are making discounts. So we repeat this process every time we import products to our store. So we go to images, nice images that we want. So the product is ready to be pushed to the store. Import, and it's ready at Shopify Store. That's it for this lecture. See you next lecture. Hi. In this lecture we'll talk about creating collections and add them to our store. We go to products, collection, create collection, and create a collection with the name, for example, Baby World. Then we add a description to this collection, and type, we make it, for example, manual. You can make it automated, but for now we'll make it manual. Adding products manually to this collection. We add a picture for this collection. So we go ahead and click save. Now the collection has been created. So we add products to this collection. We go to browse and add products. For example, this one and this one, this one, and this product. We click on add. Now the products are added to the collection. So now we add the collection to our home page. We go to theme, customizing, to sections, then we add the collection BB World. We select our collection. Now it's added to our home page. Now the style of the collection can be grid or colleague. Grid will be like this. I'd rather using colleague. Sorry for my accent, it's not that good. So now it has been added to our home page. We save settings. So here, if we want, we can add sections to our home page. Other than collection, we can add, for example, image with text, featured product, video, custom HTML, rich text. Any section we would like to add, it can be added. For example, we will add featured product. We added a collection to our home page, and if we want, we will add a featured product that we want to sell more. For example, this BBT thing, mitten glove. And that's it for this lecture. Hello there. In this lecture we will talk about store settings. We go to our Shopify dashboard, then to settings. We click on that. The first setting is general. View and update your store details. Here we have our name and store address, these things. The next one is payment providers. We can enable and manage our store's payment providers in this section. The first one is PayPal. We can activate our PayPal account here. Then the next payment provider is third-party providers, companies. For example, the first one, to check out, AirPay, and these companies. They are payment providers. We go back to payment. So we also have alternative payment methods. We also have manual payment methods. We can activate that too. So we go back to settings. The third setting is checkout. Customer accounts. I'd rather to make them disabled. Keep it that way. To check out, they can check out using either phone number or email. Make customers check out using email. To receive updates, you can use it or not. Full name required first and last name. Company name, make it hidden as it is. Address line 2 optional. Shipping address phone number hidden. while customer is checking out. Using shipping address as the billing address by default, it's okay. Enable address auto completion, it's okay. After an order has been paid, do not automatically fulfill any of the orders. After an order has been fulfilled and paid, automatically activate the order, archive the order. Show a sign up option at checkout, yes. Pre-select sign up option. Some will say it is a spam and unsubscribe, but it's okay. So your store's checkout page displayed in English, that's it. Go ahead and save these settings. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next one. Hi, in this lecture we will talk about shipping setting. Some say it is somehow complicated. It's not. Just concentrate and everything will go alright. So we go to shipping, manage rates, and to shipping zone. We create shipping zone. We name it, for example, Big 4. So we ship to the United Kingdom and United States, then Australia and Canada. These are the big 4 countries that they are more likely to buy from your store. So we ship to United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, United States. We add rate to this shipping zone. So we said we offer free shipping over $30. So this rate, the cost will be free. We add condition. So based on order price, the minimum price that you should buy in order to get free shipping is $30. And you have no limit. At least you have to buy $30 in order to get free shipping. That's it, the first condition. So the next one is shipping fee of under $30. So if your order is less than $30, you will pay shipping fee. For example, $7. So we add condition to this rate. For example, based on order price, you have no minimum price. $0. From $0 to 29.99, you will have to pay shipping fee. And that's the condition of this rate. So for our zone, Big 4, we have the first rate, shipping fee under $30, from $0 to 29.99, you will have to pay for shipping $7. But over $30 and up, the cost will be free. That's it. It is common sense, logical. Rates and conditions. That's it for this lecture. We go ahead and click save. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next one. Hi, in this lecture we will complete our settings, our store settings. So we will go through these. You can do these settings by yourself: locations, notifications, taxes, and go to billing setting. Billing, where you can add your credit card or connect your PayPal so you can pay subscription fees and other expenses on Shopify. The next thing is legal. In this setting, we can add some legal things. For example, refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy. So Shopify can auto-generate these legal pages. Of course, you can auto-generate them, but you definitely want to go through these, through these pages. You need to read them well, to edit if there's something to be edited. For example, privacy policy, auto-generate this and go through the whole document and read. For example, between the brackets you can insert, for example, descriptions of other types of tracking. So you can auto-generate these legal things, but you need to go through the whole document and read if there's something to be edited. Now here's shipping policy. You can create your own shipping policy. Talk about your shipping terms, shipping times, for example. Write a shipping policy that a customer can read when checking out. So go ahead and save, and that's it for this lecture and for settings. See you in the next one. Hi, we are almost done with creating our online stores. In this lecture, we'll talk about the last settings we would like to go through. The first one is blog post. We can create blog posts to increase our search engine optimization traffic. The next thing is navigation. From this tab, we can control our footer menu and main menu. The next thing is preferences. From this tab, we can connect our Google Analytics account to our Shopify store. It helps you with the point, when you get to the point of scaling up, Google Analytics helps you. The next thing is Facebook Pixel. It is an ID or a code that you connect your Facebook page to your Shopify dropshipping store, and it helps you tracking traffic that visiting your store. The next thing is remove the password. Now, when someone visits your store, at this point, a password must be entered to visit the store. You can only remove this password when you pick a plan and pay for a subscription fee. When you pick a plan, you can remove this password. Anyone can visit your store. So, that's it for creating your online dropshipping store. See you in the next lecture. Hi, now we are done creating our online store, and here how it looks. Now here we have the slide, we have the text, we have an image with the text, we have our featured collection and our featured product. Now it's up to you to show your creativity, creating and implementing what you have learned and create an awesome, outstanding store. Now let's see the pages that we have created. The first page, about us, contact us. The links are working. the last page, FAQs. So as I said, you need to be creative implementing the instructions that you have received in this section. So let's get back to the home page. So that's it for this section. See you in the next one.